everybody, it's Amanda with Amanda's Answers, and I'm here today reviewing the brand new Alienware M17 R5 that Best Buy sent me for their Tech Insiders Network to review. Super excited to give this one a try. I love playing games. My family is made up of gamers, and we are always getting the latest and the greatest, so I can't wait to see how this one works, and I'm going to unbox it now. Just opening up the box, it has a feel of like an expensive briefcase or something like that. We have all of the cords and extras in here. This is inside a nice plastic case. You just pull this up to pull it up, and all of the extras. Looks like the little information book is in there as well. Fresh out of the box and outside of the little wrappers, this is the power cord and charger. This is going to be the 240 watts. Of course it is Dell, since Alienware is made by Dell. You have the 17 on there and the iconic little alien. We'll see if this one does like my other Alienware laptop. Usually the alien lights up, so it's really cute when somebody walks by. There is an alien right there. Take a little protective piece out. Now, one key thing that this does not have is the number pad, but everything else is your traditional laptop. And again, this is the 17.3 inch. This is a full high definition. It is 165 hertz with 1920 by 1080 resolution, and this is going to have the Ryzen 7. It's a 16 gigabyte memory. This is the DDR5, which is going to be great for your graphics heavy games. Let me get it started up here and we will take a look at it. Before I turn it on, just want to show you the back here. This is the fan, little vents back here. It does light up blue, so you know if it is charging or not. And you can see the different ports that it has in the back. You will get, let's see, this has the Ethernet port, one HDMI port, one USB 2.1 port, three USB 3.2 ports. So there's 4 USB ports total. There is a USB-C 4.0 port as well. So this is what you have at the back. Of course, you know, with all modern laptops, there is not a place for a disk anywhere. And that's your Ethernet port and your headset jack. And your other USB ports over here. And your little alien head right here is going to be your power button. So you just press that to turn it on. This is it firing up for the first time. And you'll see the backlit keyboard here. It starts up with a rainbow of colors. This is the customized, this is the automatic setting. It can be fully customized in the Alienware Command Center. It does have a wonderful a whole option in there that lets you change anything that you want. If you want to put, you know, your WASD keys like bright red and everything else blue, or any of your keys, your hotkeys that you use for something specific, you can change it up however you would like, which is really nice. A backlit keyboard is absolutely necessary for anyone that likes to game at night. I am a night owl myself, and I can't make it without a backlit keyboard. I won't buy a laptop that doesn't have one of those. You will see here that this does have the AMD Ryzen, shows the 6000 Series 7 sticker here. And this is Windows starting up. This is going to come with Microsoft 11. It has a internal, the SSD inside. That is going to be a 512 gigabyte SSD. That's your solid state drive. Those are crucial nowadays. That's loud.
Turn on narrator by pressing Windows plus Control plus Enter. For more accessibility features, press Windows plus U, or select the accessibility icon in the bottom corner.
go ahead and skip past that. One thing that I love about new computers nowadays are the accessibility features. As many of you know, I work with the blind and low vision community as a visual interpreter, and I love that when computers start up, they're automatically set to be accessible. That is a great thing that we have nowadays. But continuing on, this does have the Dolby Vision HDR, which provides the most authentic, striking, natural display and performance. The display itself is LED. It is 165 hertz refresh rate. Let's see. Oh, the Alienware command center that I mentioned earlier, in addition to normal things that you can change in there, you can also do things like overclock and create your own personalized gaming profiles. If you share a laptop with someone and different people have different play styles, or maybe you need it for work and for gaming, which I do both on mine, you are able to do that. Now, internally, this is going to have the AMD Radeon RX 6700M. That is going to be just like the Nvidia 3060 Ti, very comparable to it if you're more familiar with Nvidia. This does have a few Nvidia features on it though. It does have the Nvidia G-Sync, which provides a realistic smooth visuals, even if you have high-speed scenes, either in something you're watching or games you're playing. That is going to be very smooth. And then it also features the Nvidia GeForce RTX 30. That's the ray tracing that provides your rich lighting, lifelike environments. That's going to be really great for some of your newer games like Hogwarts Legacy. Uses ray tracing, and it just gives it such a more rich feel. It makes everything look better and feel better. Alright, so we have the computer up and running now. You'll see that it started off with a standard blue backlighting. You can just go into the command center here and you can customize everything any way that you want, from different colors to waves or anything in between. And it walks you through how to set things up. This is the active default theme. And as you see, it is completely customizable. It starts off showing you the little alien here you can change. There is the alien on the back that you can change as well. It lights up, as well as some lighting in the back, the stadium lighting, and each individual key can be customized as well. There are preset colors, but you can come up with any array that you want. However you want. You can change the effects as well. It is walking through the tutorial, so I will just go through this real quick. We'll go through, let's put it on spectrum. Just going to make a few quick changes just so you can see how it does change things. And you can go back over to the keys, and again, you can have them totally off if you want. You can go through, let's see here. You can go through, and if you want the W, the A, the S, and the D to be one color, and let's see, so you want red for the D, we'll make each of those red so that you can see those stand out. And then you can go through and change whatever you want, and you can click, you know, whatever here, and actually it has the preset up here as well if you just want to do the WASD one color. If you want all your function keys a certain color, so you want to make the function keys blue, you can make those blue. And then if you just want to do all keys a certain color, but then the effects are over here as well, so you can do lots of different things. Let's make it go breathing. So we're going to save theme here and exit that. Okay. And then the keys are breathing. You can see them. Looks like somebody's breathing, getting lighter and going away. You can set them to where when you hit one key, then it just like goes out and radiates out. There are lots of ways to customize it. I really like all the options there. One other thing that I didn't mention is the camera. The camera on here is about 1 megapixel, and then it's going to give you about a 720 pixel resolution or pixel from the camera when you take a picture, or if you have a meeting or anything like that. So pretty decent for a laptop. You're right up close, so you don't really need anything super fancy. But again, this is going to be the Alienware m17 R5. And that is the 17.3 inch full high definition. And this weighs about 7.3 pounds. It is fairly hefty. Not super heavy, but it's definitely not a lightweight laptop at all. But you don't want a lightweight laptop. You want something that is going to, not if you're gaming, you want something that is going to be robust and have a lot of functionality to it, and that is definitely what you get with this. Again, I'm Amanda with Amanda's Answers, and I am doing this review for Best Buy for the Tech Insiders Network. This is just an unboxing. I do plan to do a little bit more in depth after I get some games downloaded on it and give it a try. Maybe try Hogwarts, World of Warcraft, something like that, and we can see how it goes from there. So be sure to like and subscribe if you'd like to see more videos like this. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. I'll see you all again soon. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.